But the way the pro-choice camp talk, you animals, is as though it's no big deal.
It's no big deal.
It's a big fucking deal.
It's no big deal.
People saying it's not murder.
It's not murder.
People saying it's just a clump of cells.
It is just a clump of cells.
Saying until it can exist on its own, it's part of the mother.
It is part of the mother, technically.
People who saying, oh, I've had loads of abortions, it's fine.
I've had many abortions, and it's fine.
People making jokes about abortion I don't find funny.
Abortion isn't murder, it's cancelling a pre-order.
It is the murder of a human being.
And that human being should be trafficked by me in Romania with my brother Andrew, who can't grow a full head of hair. Shut the fuck up.